Okay, so I just got back from the store and I went to two stores. I went to Aldi and Food for Less, and I couldn't really record in there and I didn't know what to record. I'm like just getting everything. So I'm just gonna show you everything that I got and like what it's for, and then I'm gonna show you guys how much I paid for everything. And I'm gonna put some clips in right now of my carts, like my cart at Aldi and my cart at Food for Less, because I didn't organize each thing on my table. I'll have it all like combined, so but you'll see how much I got at each store. My whole table's full, and then it's even full over there and over here, so it's gonna be a little bit. But anyways, so I got two things of tortillas because we go through those fast, and then also I'm gonna include my dad also was with us and he got a bunch of stuff too. So I'm just gonna be including everything that we got, and I also went off my list a little bit. I got a couple other things, so you're gonna see other things in here. But anyways, Pop-Tarts, two things of tortillas, bananas, and then these are the potatoes that I use with the meatloaf. They're these little tiny ones, and they're super good, and they cook really well with what I put on them. But I got two of them because usually I have people over when I make that. And then I got the big carrots, syrup for my waffles, and this is the kind that I get. It has no high fructose corn syrup and no artificial flavors, and it's really good. I actually like it. So, and then I got two things of sweet peas. I got some Glade because I really like that scent and we're out of it. Two things of ketchup. We go through that super fast. Two things of olives, and then those beans, they're Rosarita beans. I got 4 of them because they were on sale for like 98 cents, and they're usually like almost $2. And then I got this long grain and wild rice. I got 2 of them. I tried them last time and I really recommend them. And then I got 2 things of these big pinto beans. Everything's falling. I tried to stack it so I could show everything, but. And then I got 2 things of sweet corn. This Olive Garden Italian dressing. It's really good. And then I got this ham right here. I can't really reach, but I got this ham. It was $7 and it's pre-sliced and it looks really good. So, and then the chicken breast for the taquitos. I got 2 things of this, but I don't know where the other one is. And then I picked these up because I saw them and they looked really good. They were like 89 cents. So I got one of each just to try them. Tapioca pudding, rice pudding, and caramel. And then I got this spinach dip. That's for my dad. And I got some salsa. I got some salsa last time from Aldi and I really didn't like it, so I got this other one to try out. And then cream cheese, Ritz, because my daughter really likes tuna and I like it also, and we eat it with these and it's super good. And then I got the fries. I usually get they're like the Chick-fil-A ones, like the waffle ones, but they didn't have any, so I got those ones. And then I got some more burgers because we're about to use ones we have right now. Oh, there's the other cream of mushroom. And then sour cream. And I got these oatmeal, the frosted cookies. I really like those, and I saw them and I was like, whatever, I have to get them. And then I got my chocolate milk syrup. I usually get the one that is just like the 5 ingredients or 4 or whatever, but they didn't have it, and I was like, whatever, I really am craving chocolate milk. And then I need some oil. I got corn oil, and I got Capri Suns, and these are the ones that I really like. They're actually good because I never used to like this. I don't like Hawaiian Punch or anything. It grosses me out and it always gives me a headache, but these are really good. And I've never ever would buy these, but last time I went to the store I was like, that sounds kind of good, and I looked at the ingredients and I don't know if they like improved it, but they're actually really good now. So it's all natural ingredients, 30% less sugar, no corn syrup, and no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. And then the sugars, it's 13 grams for one, which is kind of a lot, but for these it's not that bad. Then I got some blue corn chips. I really like the ones from Trader Joe's, so I'm hoping that these taste similar to that. My daughter wanted these Cheerios, and they're like limited edition hearts. I don't know, whatever, but she really likes Cheerios. And we also really like oatmeal, the brown sugar one. So I got this from Aldi, and we're gonna try it out. And then we were hungry, so we grabbed some of that. My waffles, I eat those every single morning, so I gotta have a lot. And then I got a cantaloupe because the watermelons were not right, so I'm like, I'll just get a cantaloupe. My dad got these. I guess they're like double stuffed Oreos. And then we got some cut up mango. And then my dad also got these. And my dad and Vivian got into stuff because they were hungry in the car. And then I got this sourdough. It was only $2.99 for this whole loaf, and it's really huge. So if you guys want some sourdough, I've never tried it, but I'm pretty sure it's probably good. Everything I've tried from Aldi, by the way, is really good, even like the off-brand stuff. And then we got hot dog buns and hamburger buns, and the hamburger buns are only 89 cents, and you get 8. So, and they taste good. And then this stuff's just right here because it was left in the car and we just found it right now. But we just got here. But I saw these and I was craving that. Never go to the store when you're hungry, because I did. And this is the thing I was telling you though. It's called Picnic Pack, and it's like 1, 2, 3, it's 6 drumsticks and like 2 or 4 thighs and 2 breasts, I think. I don't know, but that's what I usually use for casseroles and like for soup and stuff. And then we got 2 Cokes, Gatorades, 2 jugs of those waters. I use those to make soup. And we saw these at the checkout. I don't need to explain those, but and then there's more over here. Vivian really wanted these. And then I got this garlic knot from Aldi because I didn't like the garlic bread we got last time, and I saw these, so I'm like, let's just try those. I got some blackberries, and then my dad got these, I don't know, tortellini, I don't know. He likes those. But 2 things of croutons. The croutons are like 89 cents also. And then the 2 things of the salad, these tortillas, and then this is the ground beef that I get. I really recommend this. Like, it tastes super good, and it's really good for you. So if you go to Aldi, you should try this kind. That's what I'm going to use for the meatloaf. And then here's the greens that I'm going to use to go along with the meatloaf. I never tried these ones, so hopefully they're good. Lettuce for hamburgers. And I got eggs, and I literally have a whole thing of eggs. So, but we'll still use them. I guess that's everything. So this is the list from Aldi, and we got mostly everything there. And it was $132.09 for everything, and we got like everything from there. But this is what I love about Aldi. Look at 75 cents, 10 cents, $1.99, $2.69. Like, look at the most expensive thing. I think the $9. I think it was the burgers. Yeah, nothing goes over $5 except the patties. It's $9.79. Every single thing else is under $5.99. Everything that we got, and we got pretty much everything that we needed. And then at Food for Less, we spent $63, which is more than I wanted to spend. I mean, we barely got anything. I don't know why it was so much, but whatever. So here's everything that we got there, and then everything that we got at Aldi. So since I didn't have time to clean out the fridge before I left, I'm gonna do it right now. So I'm just gonna set up the camera. I'm gonna clean out the fridge, take out all the old food and whatever is like bad, whatever leftovers, and then I'm gonna organize it and put everything back in. So that's everything that I got. I'm sorry I couldn't record in the store. If you guys want me to, then just let me know and I'll try next time. But I don't really know what to record. Like, I can't just record me putting everything in there, and I don't really have anybody to record me. But I'll try to make it happen. And that's everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to see more like grocery hauls and also like how I budget my money and all that, then just let me know and I'll be happy to do it. And I also really recommend Aldi because I was skeptical at first, and then I started buying everything there, and everything that I've tried has been good. So if you haven't tried it yet, you should really try it. And if you don't have one, then I'm sorry, but If you guys like this video, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe because I would love for you to stick around. And thank you guys so much for watching. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm never ever on Twitter. I'm mostly on Snapchat and Instagram, so just follow me there. I might not add you back on Snapchat, but just follow me on Instagram and you can DM me there. So bye.